My name is Master Mystic. I'm the lead developer for SpicyHacks.com. Today, I'm going to be giving you a basic explanation of how to install the Spicy client. So, the Spicy client is basically what you use to get all of the cheats and hacks onto your computer. It's a lot simpler than other methods, and I'm just going to be going through how to do that. So, first you want to head to the website SpicyHacks.com. Refresh the page if you've been on it for a long time, just to make sure you get the latest download. Um, and then what you want to do is you want to head over to status over here, and it's going to bring up the current status of things. Um, and right here is the Spicy client versions. We have, so the latest version we currently have is nightly. So that means every night, or most nights, we update it, just so you know you have the latest one, and this one's from August 10th, which was yesterday for me, but you might be watching this in the future, so maybe a little bit further for you. But yeah, so you want to go over to status, and then this latest one, just make sure it says green on both. That means it's still working. If the current one does not have green, then you should go to another one which has green. So any of these would work fine. Don't use ones that have yellow unless you have to. So you just go to this link and it will bring you to a download page. You download it. It'll be pretty fast. And this page also has the password. So right now I'm going to show you how to get the custom crosshair. So you click this. Windows might say that it's an unrecognized program, but you can just hit run anyway. If you want to run a virus scan on it, I'll put that I can put that at the end link in the description. So we just hit run, hit next. Um, if you have multiple people on your computer, hit everyone. If you only have one user, hit just me. Next, next. It's gonna install. And it's gonna install. Usually it doesn't take that long. Boom, and it's done. So then what you're gonna do is minimize your browser, and right here, here's the icon for me. You double click that, and here you go. Here's the Spicy client. So you go back to status, and so this first thing is what's called the key. That's like the general password to get into the Spicy client. It's not your main password. It's another password, but we call it the key. So right here it says the key for tonight is this. You can also use this one. Spicy client usually works, or this one usually works. So we're going to copy that over to this, hit login. Uh, whoops. Oh, whoops, that's a current bug we have right now. It says that it's wrong, but then when you open it up, it's correct. Like, if I put in the wrong thing, like I just deleted the T and log in, it won't actually open it. But if I put in the right one, it will still say the wrong password, but it will open it. So whatever. It's weird. We do have to fix that. Okay, so once you're inside the Spicy client, the first thing you want to do is hit generate on this button, and that will give you a random number. Now, you want to go to wherever you have your install and rename your install to this. So what I mean by that is, um, so when you downloaded this file, go to that downloads and rename your download to that. So what will basically do is that people can't detect it anymore because it's renamed to this. The Spicy client um, automatically changes its name, but the installer doesn't. So you just got to rename it to that, and you'll be good to go. Okay, next thing you got to do is you got to put in your OS version. Most people running this would be running on a Windows, so Windows 7 or 8 or 10. There's two Windows version 10s. So what you want to do is you want to say click to find out version, and so what you want to do is I'm running Windows 10, so you hit about, you search about and you hit about your PC and scroll down. I'm running 1803. So if it's above 1703, then you're gonna want to hit 1703. Okay, and um, if you want to run the SpicyClient in a custom folder, let's say you want it to be in a virtual machine or something like that, then you would hit custom folder, then browse for it. Also, is the client updated? So if it if you didn't just download it, you would hit update client, and then you'd put in the URL to download, hit check URL, and download, and it would do. Whoops. Oh, I didn't put in the right URL, but yeah, if you put in the right URL, it will update automatically, so you don't have to go through the whole process of re-downloading everything, because that takes a while. Okay, so if you want the free crosshair, then you'd put in email crosshair. It says it over here, and password free. Log in. Still says it's incorrect, but it does pop it up anyway. I don't know, it's stupid. Okay, so let me see if we have a game that we can run this on. I don't really want to open up a game right now. So if we just hit launch, and here's the crosshair. In the crosshair you can pick different sizes and stuff. Blah blah blah. I'll give it a large. Do a large sniper. You can even change the color and stuff. Let's make it like a yellow. Oh, that was not yellow. Boom. Oh, whoops. There we go. Okay. That's a pretty ugly. And then we're gonna hit the process that we're gonna run it on. So I'm just going to run it on. Oh, hit window list. It's easier. And we're gonna hit this, select, and start, and boom, you see I have a crosshair now. So if you put it in a game, it'll basically give you a crosshair. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's how you get the custom crosshair. Um, this is also the same way you log in to get all the other hacks and cheats. For those, we're gonna have instructions when you download it of exactly how to do it. We'll have another video for you. But yeah, that's this one. So thank you and goodbye.